Hey everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections. Doing a home inspection over in Arlington today. Just wanted to share with you a few of the things that we are finding on water heaters these days, and this one in particular. So let's inspect it. We'll start at the bottom of this water heater and work up. First, we have a pan underneath it, which is a good thing. But when we follow that drain, that drain to the pan, that drain terminates in here in the garage floor. According to current standards, that drain should terminate to the outside of the building. Next thing we'll look at here, this is the thermal pressure relief valve drain. The thermal pressure relief valve drain should not run uphill at any point, so this one is improperly installed. Also, under newer standards, we should have an electrical disconnect installed for electric water heaters. We shouldn't, technicians or anyone else shouldn't have to go to the breaker panel to turn off the power to this unit. Other than that, we also found, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of a water seepage here at this cold water inlet. So we've got a little bit of water seepage there, and also possibly some dissimilar metals, but those do look like dielectric unions, so we're good there. All right, well that's it.